guys, ang building dito. Malapit na kami sa
This is ANB Bank.
ANB Bank. Ayan.
Opposite near Lulu Hypermarket.
Ayan, malapit na kami sa Lulu guys. Ayan.
See you, Lulu.
Ang building dito guys. Ayan, this is the Lulu Market. Hypermarket. Nakita nyo guys yung Lulu. Ayan.
This is main entrance. See guys,
Ayan, main entrance yan sa Lulu.
main entrance.
Bayad ka Bignes, you pay 20 real. Ayan ang Lulu, ayan. Ayan mga Harris, ayan, mga poging security.
See how much girls.
Ayan. Ayan, nandito na kami sa parking lot. Ayan. You see the area of the parking. Kaya good. Ayan guys, so ayan.